The edge is where it all happens. It's where your customer taps their phone for instant payment. It's the sensors keeping production lines humming, the tech that makes life-saving surgeries possible. Users expect these things to just work. For IT teams, that means dealing with countless devices, updates, and security threats spread across a huge network. So how do you make sure everything just works? Well, you don't do it alone. SUSE is your partner at the edge. We have the tools and expertise to support even your most complex edge use cases. Together, we'll make edge deployments easier to manage with the same cloud-native technologies you rely on in data centers and the cloud. Whether you're modernizing what you already have or building something new, we'll help you achieve the performance you need, wherever you need it. With SUSE, your edge does more than just work. It makes your business possible, anywhere.